Slayer with Ed, the Russian Sapanta, with double A, Alas Chris Solo. Mr. Kaloy Datu, Benny Goodman. Anytime now, race number 12. Joel's Choice OTB, Counselor Mel Teves. Super 6 carryover, you can still place your bets. 200,000, 5.86. Anytime now. Good evening once again to all racing aficionados inside, outside, your favorite OTBs. Anytime now, race number 12. Outstanding favorite, Pete Boss. And the race on, they leap in unison away from the gate. Jacqueline's Diamond rushing up is overwhelmed. Pete Boss is running in third down on the inside. The Mungligaw rushing up by the rallies. Magdapio, Tito Aru. Back to the front runner, Jacqueline's Diamond by about 2 lengths, followed by Pete Boss in second, alongside overwhelmed Magdapio. In between runners, Damong Ligaw, Tito Aru. Moving up by the release, Mr. Universe Senyales. And rounding the far turn, Jacqueline's Diamond, Pete Boss overwhelmed, and by the release, Magdapio, Damong Ligaw, and Mr. Universe running by the rail. As they race the last 450, Jacqueline's Diamond still the leader, and Pete Boss on the outside. Magdapio, Damong Ligaw, Jacqueline's Diamond back to 2 lengths lead. Pete Boss running in second, and Damong Ligaw, and nearing the finish line. It's a scintillating run. Number 5, Jacqueline's Diamond coming home with mud in his body. Second, Pete Boss,